Ready to weave some design magic and learn how to create stunning braids in Adobe Illustrator, achieving that realistic woven look? First, let's create a new document. Open Illustrator and set up your artboard to your desired size. I'm using a square for this example. Grab the pen tool and start drawing a curved, elongated shape. This will form the basic strand of our braid. Think of the shape as a slightly flattened teardrop. Now, duplicate that shape a couple of times and arrange them side by side. This gives us our basic building block. Adjust the size, width, or curve of the strand to get the effect that you want. Now select all the shapes that we just made and group them. We will make it easy to move them together. Next, it's time to make our braid pattern. Rotate the group of strands to create a visual shift. Duplicate and place the rotated group next to the first group, and then arrange the groups into a braid shape. Continue creating the complete braid pattern by positioning the strands. Adjust and add the shapes as needed so it looks like it's overlapping properly. Finish up by fine-tuning the look. Experiment with adding gradients or subtle shading to the strands to enhance the depth and realism of your braid, turning your flat illustration into something truly dimensional to finalize your braid. And there you have it, a beautiful woven braid created entirely in Adobe Illustrator.